park. It's not the best riding conditions. It's the warmest day has been in a while, and there's a ton of rain coming. I haven't ridden in about a week and a half, and really want to get a ride in. But we're going to go over and do Mackay Skyway. I have a funny feeling it's going to be bare, other than a few spots. So, yeah, let's go hit up that. Watch the ice in the meantime. Yeah, we're good back here. Still frozen. Very icy. So I gotta try to keep traction on the back wheel. Whew. Man, that heart rate's going a little crazy. Oh yeah, it's icy back here. Break. Hey, just had a little break. It's been a busy day out here in St. John. So I think we're going to continue on this trail, but I think we'll get near the end and turn around, because I have a funny feeling that when you get in the woods it's going to be really icy and shitty, so we don't want to do that. I think we'll go right to that part and then turn around and come back. Get going. Legs are shaky. I don't know what's going on. Man, this is slippery. think this is where we're gonna turn around. Rainstorm's on its way, so I think we're gonna try to get out of here.